Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. My garage is actually a little messy right now. I've got sheet metal everywhere and my replacement rocker sitting around. You might notice the car is a little bit tilted. So I have been working on the passenger side rust repair. I just haven't released the video yet. I haven't had the time to edit or any of that kind of stuff. It's actually been quite busy for me. So lately I actually haven't had much time to work on the car. So it's just sitting on jack stands at the moment. But today I actually received the package. It's actually the funny thing is, it's a late birthday present that my girlfriend got me, but it finally arrived today, and it's basically a new tool. So today is actually going to be more a product review than anything. So I'm just gonna get right to it and show you guys what I got. Check it out, guys. My girlfriend got me a bucket, and it has water in it. I'm kidding. All jokes aside, this is what she got me. Thanks to my girlfriend, she got me a new jack, which is it's a aluminum steel jack. It weighs about 58.3 pounds, which is half the weight of a 3-pound jack. My girlfriend didn't know too much about jacks, so I did pick this, and she knew that I wanted this one. I've been eyeing this for a long time. It's just I never pulled the trigger to buy it. So she decided to buy it for me and say, hey, it's your birthday present. So here it is. It wasn't much of a surprise, but thanks anyways to my girlfriend. You guys notice that I've been working with a small blue trolley jack. Well, I've had that jack for over 20 years. It's basically a jack that my dad gave me, and I've been using it to do like oil changes and everything else on the car. I mean, as you see, I've been doing all the work on my car with just that small little trolley jack. But most people find that a little bit dangerous. I mean, it's not the jack that's actually supporting the car anyways, it's the jack stands. But then again, that jack doesn't go up high enough anyways. The only issue I had with that jack is that it did lift like lower and lower. It didn't really go up higher, so I had to kind of replace the hydraulic fluid in there, and then now it works fine again. So 20 plus years, so pretty good quality jack. It's lasted me a very long time, and I'm still going to continue using it even though I have this one. So now I have two jacks, but here it is. This jack is a pretty nice jack. My brother has the same one, and yeah, we got this at Costco for about $150 Canadian plus taxes, of course. So about 180 bucks about there. So it's a nice jack. I just wanted to show you guys the unboxing of it, and me setting it up and all that stuff. So here we go. So I guess these are instructions of what to do before operating the jack. So we'll just go through these in a little bit, but it says basically secure jack handle halves together. There you go, that's secured. Remove the retaining wire that holds handle yoke and place during shipment. See warning information. Okay, I don't know what the hell that means. Guess it came with some stickers. By the way, this jack is an Arcan professional jack, so it is a very nice jack. So that's just an extra sticker for the jack, and some operating instructions. So let's set these aside. does have a lot of little crap inside here. So I guess that's the clip that they're talking about, the one that's securing it right here. First things first, I'm going to pick out some of that styrofoam that got stuck in there. So it is packed with grease. So it's not it's not bad. Let's see how to remove that clip. See instruction information. There we go. It has a whole bunch of grease on here. Maybe we should scrape out. We can use that grease. There we go. Let's secure the bolt. And then rotate the handle clockwise until it stops. Then rotate handle to the left, 2 complete rotations. That's 1. That's 2. And pump handle 10 full increment pump strokes without load, and then rotate the handle to the right clockwise until it stops. Then pump the handle to raise lift arm to maximum height without load, then lower the lift arm by rotating the handle left. Jack is now ready for use. All right, so it's all set up, and there it is, my new jack. So just gonna give you guys a close-up of it. But yeah, as you can see, my floor is pretty messy. But yeah, here it is. It's still quite heavy, lifting it, but it probably weighs just a little bit more than my little trolley jack. But it actually looks pretty nice. It's got a nice long pole. Could use that as a cheater bar. It's much thicker than the bar that I've been using as a cheater bar. But overall, it looks like it's pretty nice construction. It's painted nicely. It's kind of like a powder coated finish.
This is kind of soft. It is well greased. Not sure how well it rotates. Yeah, it moves pretty smoothly. And all in all, it looks pretty good. But yeah, guys, basically that's what I got today, and I just wanted to share that with you guys. And you know, basically my birthday gift and stuff. So yeah, I think it's a pretty nice jack. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for watching. Cheers.